Hello my dear friends, welcome to Priyanshu Knowledge Network. Well my dear friends, today we will be talking about the successive reasons of the life. Well my dear friends, today it is a call to be very delighted topic. It's a very immersive topic and there is need to know about it very well. And today we'll be talking about it. Well, there are many things which is needed to be covered, very elaborated right now. But yes, we'll be talking about, well, let's take the first topic, which is what should be the purpose of your life and how to choose it. Well, there are many kind of purposes in your life where to know about yourself, where you will build yourself with many kind of experiences in your daily life. You will learn new things if you try something different in your life. For example, if you have lots of problem in your life, then there is no need to ignore it. You need to take many kind of steps that will give you experiences, that will give you learnings, that will also give you courage to face the comings problems. Well, if we take how to know your purpose of your life, there are a number of things, and as it is also said, you should keep trying new things to develop yourself, to build your personality as being a perfect man on this planet. And there are many kind of problems as well. Then you need to learn how to fight. Then you can know your purposes. If there are a number of problems, you need to face them. If you will face them, then you will surely learn something different kinds of ways where you can know yourself, in which way you are perfect, in which way you need to go through, that will make you successful person. And successful person, that does not mean that you will gonna become billionaire one day. No, that does not mean that you are gonna be a successful person. Well, the successful person according to me is that who has some courage to do, who has some life goals, who have some motives of their life, and they need to make it as proper as they want, by their experiences, by their learnings, by their morals, by implementing on themselves. There are a number of things which you need to know about it, and you will go through it. Then for sure you will get the success in what field you want. You want to be a singer, you want to be a cricketer, and there are a number of careers you want to make and go into them. But yeah, you want to learn about them, then that is called the success according to me. And there are a number of books I would like to recommend you to read. Read the books, like not the online but the offline. You can go and check it out, the description. There are many kind of books just for you. I have added from the Amazon, as those are affiliate marketing links. But although you can go and have a look, at least check their books, that are those books just for you, because we need to focus on what builds you very perfect, what makes you a very motive person, what makes you a principle to give someone a knowledge. Now there are a number of books like Psychology of Money. You can know the psychology of money, that what money is actually, and how it keeps an importance in you. And the books like of Sadhguru, the recommended book by me, you can know about many kind of things. And yeah, I will be providing those all books links in the description. Go and check it out. And thank you so much for watching this video, and be subscribed. I will be coming from the next time with a immersive topic, and that would be about the personality development. Go and check it out, the official channel of Priyanshu World, which is Priyanshu World Network. And I hope you might have really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.